My name's Christian. I'm graduating from the HVAC program in Valencia. Before this, I was just, going to school. I go to Valencia College. I do AA classes. I was also doing work, like I was doing DoorDash and I was just doing like fast food job in the meantime just to get by. But I feel like this program is going to help me to get a better job in the future. I mainly wanted to take this program because my family, they all do HVAC. My family's in trades, HVAC, plumbing and all that. And I feel like this trade is really going to help me, get to a better point in my life. I've currently had 3 interviews from 3 different companies. They're all eager to, see what potential I have to work for the company. And I'm open to, get as many interviews as I can so I can get a job pretty soon.
My name is Mohammed Nabira. I'm graduating from the program HVAC with the Valencia College. Before this program, I was a truck driver. There are more opportunities as a HVAC guys because especially when you have a family and you want to stay close to it. I got hired from one company. It was a mechanical one. I'm still waiting for them, just to go through the hiring progress.
My name is Cooper Mitchell. Graduated from Valencia College, accelerator program. Back home, I was just working like a pizza delivery job, just barely working. And then down here, when I first moved down here, I was working on the side at Staples for a little bit. Switched jobs from Staples. I worked at Disney for a while. I was working 7 days a week with Disney here and school, so it was a lot. And then more recently, I just got a job offer from a scenic company, not too far from my place. And then actually yesterday, I got another job offer from a CWI that came in. So I actually have another test today, another interview to go to today. So I'm gonna see how that goes. But I'd say overall, like this program is amazing. Learned, a lot. Thought I knew a little bit about welding before it, but coming in, teaches you pretty much everything that you need to know. Instructors, staff, everybody here is amazing.
My name is Nicolas Agredo. I have family that does welding, so that's like the main goal that I have for myself, being a welder, as my uncles and family. I was doing retailing at Tommy Hilfiger. I was a retailer. That was like my job to pay my insurance, my bills, but that's not the thing that I was looking for. I'm working as a welder, stick welder, SMWA. I'm welding structures, stairs, roofs, different kinds of stuff, like in a construction environment. I'm getting paid for something that is mine, like my skills. I'm getting paid for my skills.